Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at the oldest and the eldest. For example, that church is the oldest building in town. There are lots of old buildings in the town, but that church is the oldest. We use eldest only when we talk about members of a family. For example, their eldest son is 13 years old. You can say their oldest son is 13 years old. But remember, we only use eldest when we talk about family members. Are you the oldest in your family? Or are you the eldest in your family? Oldest and eldest. Easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.